Several Dallas neighborhoods are trying to get the city council to crack down on short-term rental properties. Neighbors have complained about noise and crime. Fox 4's Lori Brown has more on what the council plans to do. Hi, Lori.
Hi, Clarice. The meeting ended abruptly a few minutes ago when several council members had left, and so they lost quorum. What a city attorney had revealed today to council members is that if the city rushes to regulate STRs, creating a permitting process, it could inadvertently grandfather in STRs operating in single-family neighborhoods. So today, the attorney recommended that the city council consider where it wants to allow STRs first before starting to issue regulations.
If we wanted to live next door to a hotel, we would have.
Dallas homeowner Angela Sanders asked the city to keep short-term rentals out of single-family neighborhoods. She said STRs are taking homes away from families with children who need them.
Please give them that opportunity. Give them a chance to have their own home, their own little patch of grass, rather than having to play on a square of concrete owned by someone else.
It is a sentiment that Councilman Omar Narvaez confirmed has happened in West Dallas.
And these 10 townhomes, already 8 are been purchased by STR companies, and only 2 of the people that purchased are going to be actual residents of that little townhome community. So we literally created a hotel inside the middle of this residential neighborhood.
Councilman Adam Bazaldua said the city has had long enough and needs to act now with a permitting process.
We need to be able to have oversight and accountability for an industry that is absolutely going rampant.
Bazaldua argued the city needs to start collecting hotel occupancy taxes from the rentals.
We have the ability to use the registration fees collected for designated code staff that deal solely with STR enforcement and inspection. We have now had 4 years of inaction.
Councilman Paul Ridley argued Dallas has one advantage from being slow to act and is able to learn from the mistakes of other cities.
Once a license or a permit is issued for an STR, they obtain, according to various court decisions, a vested right to continue that status. And therefore, we would be precluded from regulating them through the zoning process. That was what happened in Austin. When they had a continuing problem with STRs and wanted to invoke a zoning control, the courts decided that it was too late.
Later, a Dallas city attorney revealed the city needed much more time to make sure it doesn't grant STRs rights that it can't later revoke.
So if it could take up to 2 years, so we basically do nothing for the next 2 years, is that your recommendation?
That would be a safest approach.
Okay, well, I'm going to use my time to ask a few more questions, and we'll just digest that brand new piece of information that I think is surprising to everyone here at the Horseshoe.
Later, the Dallas city manager said that the city could probably get the zoning piece done in 6 to 7 months while simultaneously working on regulations. City staff will now work to define what STRs are, which could be lodging, and that's a use that is not allowed right now in single-family neighborhoods. Clarice.